Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to contact Wave support if you ever need help or you run into any issues with your account. Let's dive in. First, log into your Wave account. Once you're inside, you're going to click on the help icon that you can find in the top right corner of your screen. This will open the support options. Here you're going to see a list of help articles and FAQs. You can browse through these to find answers to common issues. If you still need help, just scroll down and click on the contact support button. This will direct you to a page where you can either chat with a support agent or you can choose to submit a support request. For more urgent issues, chatting with the support can be the fastest way to get help. You're going to be connected to a live representative who can assist you in real time. Make sure to include as much details as possible about your issues, like screenshots, your account details, and a clear description of the problem. So of course, once you do this, they'll be able to assist you faster. The more details you give them, the easier it's going to be to solve your problem. And that's it. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.